Hi, this is Rick Sorsey with Stockdale Kitchen and Bath, and let me show you this new kitchen we just got done doing, featuring waypoint cabinetry in painted navy and maple rye. So look at this focal hood that we did. So what's really nice about it is it frames in a 48-inch KitchenAid Pro range. There's two ovens here. One's a 30 and one's an 18. Also gas top with a griddle. We have a pot filler. Now pot fillers are really nice because not only can you fill a pot, but it does help clean stuff as you're cooking. It's a beautiful hood, neat design. It's the custom design that we did for this client. And they're like little mini pantries that go pretty deep, about 19 inches. Then, these utensil pullouts. How great is it to be able to put the bigger things away, like ladles and big spatulas. And they're easy to use and keep clean, and they come with a canister in there, so that canister is also dishwasher safe. And check out the dishwasher. So, it's got the KitchenAid knurled handle badge with the same color stainless steel, fully integrated front panel. Then, a granite composite sink. So, this is a really cool sink. Now, we picked the color, it's called taupe, because it picks up this line here in the quartzite that matched it perfectly. This is a Delta ESSA touch faucet. So with a touch, you can turn it on and on. Very cool. We did a window sill here, and then we added the tile that's on the columns next to the range here as a common thread. So cabinet height between the countertop and the upper cabinet is very important because you want to be able to make sure that you can fit your larger format counter appliances here, and we make sure we do that. Now, check out this refrigerator. Oh, it's the Cadillac of the KitchenAids. So it's a freestanding refrigerator, and it's built in with pantries. Now what's cool about the pantries and the refrigerator all being as one unit is that it's easy to load. And check out this giant island with seating. So what's really cool about this is a quartzite countertop. The countertop is called Calcutta Lux. And what's really neat about quartzite as a material is that it's strong enough to be in a kitchen and it looks soft like marble, but boy is it tough and durable. Then the island itself is made out of waypoint cabinetry in the color rye. And notice how the rye and the LVP floor help to pull in the countertop and the navy blue cabinets. We have a microwave drawer here, which is really convenient because it's right across from the range. And then look at these big pendant lights. What's cool about those is how they scale the large format island. Neat style. And then a seating area built into the island. So this is a cool table idea. So you can actually sit and have a conversation, not just a line up like a bar. Well, I'm Rick Sorsey, and this is Stockdale Kitchen and Bath. And if you have any questions, please give us a call at 661-834-3330. That's 661-834-3333. Thanks for riding along with us.